Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do Excel chapter 7 Advanced Project 7-7. I have done this assignment many times for many students. I will do this assignment step by step as you will get done your assignment by watching my complete video. If you need complete solution of this assignment or if you are busy then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given below description of this video. I can also do Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel and Access. So if you are busy then you can easily contact me and I am available for your help. I will provide you a plus grade in your all assignments. If you want me to do this complete course then I am available and you can hire me. I will provide a plus grade in your complete course and you will be happy with my work. Now start the assignment step by step. Before starting this assignment you will see project description. This is description of the project. You can read project description to get information to do this assignment. After project description, you will see files needed. These are files which will be used in this assignment. After files, you will see skills covered in this project. These are skills which will be used to do this assignment. After applying these all skills, you will get a plus grade in this project and you will be able to upload assignment for grades. So you can read these skills. First skill is insert a list box form controls. Next is use contact and index to display data from the list box control. Third is insert a checkbox form control. Fourth skill is remove the log property and last skill is create and display a node. After applying these all skills, you will be able to get a plus grade. So before starting the assignment, you should have the knowledge to use these skills. Now I'm going to move step to complete this project. We have just 8 steps in this assignment. So the 7 because 8, 9, 10 are not graded and these are not important part of assignment. So we have just 7 parts. So in 8 parts you will just save and close the workbook. In 9 part upload and save your project file and in 10 questions you will just submit file for grade. Okay. So we have just 7 graded part in this project. Now I'm going to do first, that is open the animal life 7 start file, click enable editing button. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. In this question you just need to click the enable editing button and your file will be automatically changed to your name. Here you can see that I have already clicked the enable editing button and my file is changed by this name, that is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 7 advanced project 7-7. You can see here. So question number 1 is done because in question number 1 you just need to click the enable editing. Now I'm going to do question number 2, that is main part of the assignment. Question number 2 has part A to K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K. So first part of question number 2 is part A. Display the grid lines. In this part we will display the grid line. So go to view tab and you will see show group. Click on grid line. Okay. After it you will go to the next step, that is step B. Remove the locked property from cell E4. So just we will select cell E4. Sorry, E3. We will select cell E3 and then we will remove the log property. So right click on cell E3 and you will see format cell. Click on format cell and format cell dialog box is now appear. We have 5 tabs in format cell dialog box: alignment, font, border, fill and protection. So what we need to do, we need to unlock the property from cell E3. So unlock this and just click OK. So I have removed log property from cell E3. Now I am going to do next part, that is part C of question number 2. Draw a list box control to cover cell E3 to E4. Now I will draw a list box that will be covered from the range E3 to E4. So go to Excel sheet and go to developer tab and just click on insert button and we need to insert a list box. This one is this box. Click on this one. Okay. Our the range E3 to E4. Insert a box from E3 to E4. Set this box. Okay. I have drawn the list box from the range E3 to E4. Now I am going to do next part, that is part D of question number 2. So part D is format the control to have 3D shading and display the year on list worksheet in cell B3. Sorry, E3. In part D, first we will format the control as the 3D shading. After it, we will apply the list worksheet range that will be A11 to A14, and after it we will select cell E3 for the cell link. Go to Excel sheet and then right click on this box and click on format control. Okay, and then click on control tab. Select 3D shading. Okay, after selecting 3D shading, you need to select the range in the list worksheet. So first click on the input range and click on the list worksheet and then select the range here, that is A11 to A14. Okay, and after click the cell link and cell link will be E3. So type E3 for the cell link and simply click OK. And next part is part E, because part D is complete. Turn off lock property for the control. In this part we will turn off the lock property. Just go to the home tab, go to the box, right click on this control, go to format control. Okay, go to protection tab and then unlock this and simply click OK. So I have unlocked property from the control, that is in part E, and now I am going to do next part, that is part F. Select 2022 in list box control. Now I will select 2022 in the list box control. So go to Excel sheet, select 2022. After selecting 2022, part F is complete, and now I'm going to do next part, that is part G. Start a contact function in cell A4. The function should display year ended December 31 followed by the year that is selected in list box control next index function with the link cell. So in this part we will insert two functions, contact and index, in cell A4. So go to cell A4, cell A4 is selected and insert contact function. Double click on contact to open contact formula, and after I click on insert function and open the function argument dialog box. After it, the function should display year ended December 31. We need to copy this sentence, year ended December 31. Control C to copy this, and after it we will use in the text one. Click, sorry, press Control V to select this sentence, and then next followed by the years that is selected in the list box control next index function with the link cell. Okay, so first we will inverted comma, press enter, and you will see that inverted comma will automatically appear at the test1 box. Now we will select test2 box and then we will select the range in the list, that is A11 to A14. So click on the list worksheet and select the year range, that is A11 to A14, that is mentioned in this question, followed by the year. okay, that is selected in the list box. Okay, control nested index function. So first we will nest index function, and then close bracket, and then we will use cell E3, and then close the bracket. Sorry, we will use cell E2 and then close the bracket, and our result will be year ended December 31. This one, okay. And after it we will use cell E3, okay, and then close the bracket, and our result will be year ended December 31, 2022, and just click OK, and you will see the result in cell A4, that is year ended December 31, 2022, that is calculated by applying the contact and index function in cell A4. Now I am going to do next part, that is part H. Format cell E4 to B4 as bold and italic, merge and center. In this part, just we will select this range A4 to B4, and we will apply bold, italic and margin center. So first we will copy this range A4 to B4, Control C to copy this range, and press Control V to select this range, and then press enter. This range is selected. After selecting this range, we need to apply bold and italic. Go to Home tab, and you will see font group. Go to font group, and you will see bold. Click on bold, and then click on italic. After it, we will apply margin center. You will see margin center in the alignment group. Click on margin center. Okay, so I have applied bold, italic and margin center from the range A4 to B4. Now I am going to do next part, that is part I of question number 2. Place a checkbox from control to right of the word altitude in row 23. In this part, we will insert a box, that is checkbox form control, at the right of altitude in row 23. You can see here row 23 is altitude, and we need to insert a box, means we need to insert box in B23. So what is box name? Checkbox form control. Okay, go to Excel sheet, go to developer tab. After it you will go to control group, and then select control checkbox form control. Okay, select checkbox form control. This one, click on this one. Okay, so this box is now inserted, and set it into B23. Okay, next part is part J. Remove the label with the checkbox control and position it to appear center in cell B23. Now I will remove the label in the box, and after remove the label I will select the box at the center of cell B23. First I will remove the label in box, and now drag this at the center of B23. Drag this box at the center of B23 right now. Okay, so I have done part J of question number 2. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part K. So in this part, format the checkbox to include 3D shading and remove the lock property. Now I will format the box to 3D shading, and I will remove the locked property. from this box that is in B23. So I will simply right click on this box, right click on this one, okay, and then click on format control, and format control box is now appear. After it we will unlock it and then apply 3D shading and then simply click OK. So I have done part A of question number 2, and now I am going to do next question, that is question number 3. So question number 3 is remove sample data, unlock cells and set a print area. Question number 3 has part A, B, C, D and E. So first part is part A. In part A, select and delete the content of cell B7 to B11 and B15 to B17. In this part, we will select the cells B7 to B11, and after selecting cell B7 to B11, we will select cell B15 to B17, and after selecting these both range, we will delete. Okay. So just go to Excel sheet. So first we will select this range B7 to B11, Control C, and then press Control V to select this range. This range is now selected. Press delete. OK, and you will see that after deleting, cell B23 will be changed from 97,000 to 87,000, and after it select range B15 to B17, Control C, and then press Control V to select the second range, and then again press delete. OK, so I have deleted the content of B7 to B11 and B15 to B17, and part A is complete. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part B of question number 3. Part B is remove the log property from these same cells. Now I will remove the log property from this range B7 to B11 and B15 to B27. So first we will select the first range B7 to B12, 11, sorry. Control C to copy this range. Press Control V. This range is now selected. Right click on this one. Go to format cell and unlock this, and then click OK. And second is B15 to B17. Control C, and after it press Control V to select the second range. OK, and then unlock the second range. Right click on this one. Go to format cells and unlock it. OK, and again click OK. So I have also unlocked the range B7 to B11 and B15 to B17. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part C, because part B is just remove the log property from the range that was B7 to B11 and B15 to B17, that I have already done. Now I am going to do next part, that is part C of question number 3. So in part C, select cell B7, B12, B15, B18 and B20. Apply a counting number format with 0 decimal places. This will add a currency symbol. In this part, just we will select B7, B12, B15, B18 and after B20, and then after selecting this cell we will apply a counting number and then we will apply 0 decimal places. So first I will select cell B7. This is cell B7, and after select B7 we need to select B12. Press Ctrl to select B12. Okay, and after select B12 you need to select B15. B15. Press Ctrl, select B15, and then B18 and B20. Again press Ctrl to select B18 and press Ctrl to select B20. Now we need to apply accounting number format after selecting these cells. So just go to Excel sheet, go to Home tab, and then you will see accounting number format in the number group. Click on this one. Okay, I have applied the accounting number format in these cells. Now we need to apply zero decimal. So this is decreased decimal and this is increased decimal. So decreased decimal two times. Okay, so part C is complete. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part D of question number 3. Part D is click the name box, type A1 to B23 and press enter. So first I will select this range B1 to B23 and then I will press enter. Select this range, Control C to copy this range, Control V. In this range is selected. After selecting this range, press enter. So I have already pressed enter. Now I'm going to do next part, that is last part of question number 3. Set this range as a print area. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part E of question number 3. Set this range as print area. Now I will select the range. Select the range. So next part is part E of question number 3. In this part, set the range as print area. So our range is already selected, A1 to B23. Now I will select this range as print area. Go to Home tab. Go to Page Layout tab, and you will see Page Setup group. Click on Print Area, and you will see two options: set print area and clear print area. So click on first one to set print area. Okay. So I have set the print area from the range A1 to B23, and question number 3 is complete. Before starting the question number 4, I want to say you, if you need complete solution, then please contact me and I will provide you a plus grade. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part 4 of question number, part 4. So next part. So I have done 3 questions of this assignment. Before starting the question number 4, I want to say you, if you need complete solution of this assignment, then please contact me because I am available for your help and I will provide you a plus grade in this assignment. Now start question number 4. Question number 4 is just create and display a note. Question number 4 has part A, B, C and last is D. So first part is part A, that is select cell D1. So just select cell D1. This is cell D1. And then next part is part B. Create a note review tab that displays choose the year of from the list. This list box is not included in the front area. In this question, just we will go to the review tab, and after go to the review tab, we will go to the note group and then we will click on the note button. After clicking the note button, you will click on the new note and you will insert a new note. Okay, and then you will copy this sentence, choose the year from the list, this one, and then you will press Ctrl V to paste this sentence in the box, that is this one. Okay, so first copy this sentence, use Ctrl C to copy this sentence and go to the review tab and go to the number group. I think we have I think I do not have number group in this because I have 2021 office, but you have number group. So first you need to click on the number group. After clicking the number group, you will click on the number button. After clicking number button, you will click the new number. and then your box will be inserted like this, after it you will use control C to copy this sentence, and you will press control V in this box. Okay, and your part B will be complete. Next part is part C. Select B7. B7, this is B7. Okay, after it show notes on the sheet, that is in review tab. So what you need to do, you need to go to the review tab, and after it go to the number group and click on the number button and choose the new sheet, and your sheet will be automatically uh, so next part is part D of question number 4. Show notes on the sheet review tab. So in this part, what you need to do, you will go to the review tab. After going to the review tab, you will click on the number button, and then you will choose new sheet, and your box will be appear like this one. Okay, and now your part D will be complete, and your 60 to 70% assignment is complete, because we have just 7 questions in this assignment, and I have done main 4 question. If you need complete solution of this assignment, or if you want me to do this assignment, then I am available, and I will do this assignment just in 40 minutes, and I will provide you 90 plus grade in this assignment, and you will be happy with my work. So thanks for watching my video. Like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos.